Now, I'm sorry to interrupt today's video, but we gotta thank today's sponsor, Redtiger. Now, if you've been a part of the channel for a while, you will know that so has Redtiger. And today, I get the privilege of showing you the Redtiger F77 dash cam. Now, I've stressed time and time again how important it is to have a dash cam in your vehicles. And this dash cam brings protecting your car to a whole new level. Now, the Redtiger F77 dash cam has a dual camera setup. So we have one in the front and one right in the back. Now, one of the coolest features about the Redtiger F77 dash cam is the fact that it does not require you to buy a separate SD card with the camera. This camera actually has a built-in 128 gigabyte memory card, and the way you can pull footage is simply downloading Redtiger's free app, and you can pull it right away by connecting to the camera's Wi-Fi. Also, unlike other dash cams, the Wi-Fi is actually very, very fast, which means downloading footage is very quick as well. Now, what's amazing about the camera that's in the rear is the fact that it also shoots in 4K. And actually today, I caught someone taking a picture of my license plates. Also, both rear and front cameras are equipped with 170-degree angles, which means you are not going to miss a single bit of footage going this way or this way with this camera. Now, I know I mentioned the app earlier. Don't worry. To control the camera, you don't have to pull out your phone. It is all touchscreen, and you also have voice activation on here as well. And I also forgot to mention, this camera also comes with Sony Starburst 2, which is the best technology to capture vivid footage in the day and nice crystal clear footage at night. So don't waste any time. Go ahead and click the link in the description below. Check out Redtiger and their F77 dash cam so that you can keep your car protected and capture all that footage that you have been missing without one. Thank you, Redtiger, for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back into it.